Hey, good morning for beautiful Destin, Florida. Right now it's not so beautiful because it's pretty cloudy out. Sinister RC Dad coming at you. I'm gonna just take the bugs up. I didn't get to go to the airport or the beach this morning, so let's just take it up and look at our surroundings. Let's get rid of this ringtone on here. Move that over. There we go. Sorry about that. So she's pretty stable.
Shoot.
I can. Do. See, so I'm 59 meters in the air, 60 meters in the air, times 3, it's 90 foot. Alright, let's have a pan around. I'm just orienting around, just taking a look at what's going on. So let's see, the ocean is... No, I'm not sure what that is. I'm looking further across the street. There's the, no, that's the other side of the island. So I gotta turn all the way around to see the ocean, which is, yep, right there. There's the ocean. There's the beach and everything. I can probably, let's go higher. Guys, I got my brother-in-law in the background. He's never been here with a drone that can go high like this. I'm not going to fly it around though, because this is kind of a, there's lots of low-flying airplane here. Signs everywhere for it. But it's early enough, so it should be fine. It goes back to where I first let off the trigger.
Wow.
Yeah. Yep. It's easy to fly. Pretty cool, huh?
That's neat, man.
Yeah. That's a GPS bird. That's how fast it goes. Now the black one's even faster.
Really?
But that one doesn't have GPS or altitude hold. It's all manual.